Hey, great morning, great morning. Welcome to this beautiful day. This is the day the Lord has made. You will rejoice and you will be glad. This is Kevin Daniel and I am rich. I am blessed. I have a millionaire mind. I have the mind of Christ. I live in a place of abundance. I live in a beautiful state. Only good things happen to me. I am blessed. I am strong. I am healed. I am lifted. This is what you should say to yourself in the morning when you wake up in affirmations. Whatever you desire, whatever you want, just declare them. Why? Because that's what Jesus did. Jesus went about declaring who he was and he became what he declared. All right, today is another beautiful day, and if you're going out, Corona is still out there. I want to encourage you. Please put on your face shield or your face mask. Wash your hands, sanitize your hands. As much as possible, maintain social distancing and ensure that you are safe. All right. Today, I want us to look at the power of desire in effecting change in our lives. The Bible says in Proverbs 18 verse 1, it says, through desire, a man having separated himself. Desire is the force that pushes you to change. I've been talking about thinking, changing your thoughts. If there is no desire from your end to change, bro, you will not change. What will push you is the desire for a better life, for a new life that will push you towards change. So this morning, how much desire do you have? How much desire do you have in your quest for a new life? How much hunger? How hungry are you? How tasty are you? How determined are you to change the course of your life through your thinking? You see, if there is no desire within, there will be no fuel to push you towards change. There will be no fuel to push you to even begin to consider some of the things I'm talking about. It is desire that will push you to say, man, I need to look at this thing. Man, I need to consider what this guy is saying. I have looked at my life and I am not going the way I want, and I really want a change. So I am going to implement these things. I'm going to check my thoughts. If there is no desire for a change, then you maintain the status quo. If there is no desire for a change, you remain like that. That place where I quoted said, through desire, a man will separate himself. Listen, if you want to go with the crowd, it means you are not thinking differently. You're not going to think differently. If you are not ready to be different, if you're not ready to be separate, you may as well leave this path I'm talking about, because everybody thinks in a particular direction. And if you want to change the direction, then you need to think differently. Thinking differently means that you are not going with the crowd. So, are you ready to isolate, to be different? Or you want to continue to go with the bandwagon? That is where your change lies. Listen, what I'm sharing with you is powerful and key. Nobody changes with the crowd. Nobody becomes great with the crowd. You only stand out from the crowd. When you stand out from the crowd, you become different. So if you are ready to change your thinking, then there must be a desire to be different from the crowd. And that will push you into beginning to look at your mind, beginning to consider some of these topics that I am sharing with you every day. That will push you to begin to desire to renew your mind and change the way you do things. Listen, desire is key. If you are desirous for a change, I can tell you, you will experience a change. When next you go to that website, you will look for something that will encourage a change in your life. When next you begin to consider reading a book, you will look for something that will bring about a change in your life. When next you begin to consider discussing with someone, you will look for the topic that brings about a change in your life. No more business as usual. Why? Because you want a change. You want a change. So I want to encourage you today. Make up your mind. Build up desire within you. Tell yourself, I am ready to change, and because of that, I will desire a new life. Actually, it starts by desiring a new life. It is the new life you have desired, the desire for controlling your thoughts, the desire for living above the circumstances and situations that are holding you sway. It is that desire that pushes you to begin to separate yourself and begin to think in line with change. So today, desire a better life and then join us in this path. If what I'm sharing with you is resonating with you, I'd like you to share this video, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. I can tell you for a fact that if there is no desire welling up within you, you cannot effect a change. I will see you in the next video. God bless you.